Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple Mother's Day card using this Etchr Lab postcard paper. It's the cold pressed postcard paper. So now I just taped down the postcard paper and making a rough sketch of the flower and the words Happy Mother's Day. And here I'm using my favorite brush, the Vinci size 8 round brush. The palette I'm using is the botanical palette of Schmincke Horadam. I will put all the pigment colors that I've used in this video in the description box below, and also all the other materials. So now I'm just getting some lemon yellow, creating the center of the flower, and now I'm starting to create a few petals, a very light wash. And now I'm getting a bit of Indian yellow, which is a bit more orangey. Just spreading it around randomly, making the shapes and suggestions of flower petals. This is going to be a really easy and loose interpretation of a yellow flower. And here now I'm just using a transparent sienna to darken up some parts of the flower's center, and also the part where the petals meet the center of the flower. Here I'm just trying to vary the colors and shades of the flower to make it more interesting. Here I tried to use a darker orange red color, which I didn't really like so much actually. So actually, after doing all this, I tried to spread the color around or remove it with a wet clean brush. You can always do that while the paint is still a bit wet. And I'm also just spreading it around to make it lighter. I'm using a damp brush here, not a wet one, so that I could remove the colors. And now I'm back to using the transparent sienna to put some shades in the darker areas of the flower. Just fixing it up because I think I have lost the roundness, the round shape at the center. And here I have dried it up with a hair dryer because I'm not very patient. I can't wait for it to dry. And so now I started again with a transparent sienna to emphasize the roundness of the center of the flower, because I have lost the shape in the previous wash. Now I'm just putting back more yellow because the previous color has dried a bit paler. And so I just put more yellow, and here I'm putting more transparent sienna where it is needed, and some more of the Indian yellow to vary the tone and the color of the flower. Here I'm trying to put some sepia color from Daniel Smith to put some more contrast, some darker shades in the flower for contrast. I didn't like that part that I did there. I started to lose the roundness of the center of the flower again, so I'm trying to adjust the shape by removing some colors on certain areas. And now I'm just putting back again some sepia color. Here I switched again to the size 8 round brush to get more pigment. And here I'm just trying it again with the orange red to make the center more bright looking. I guess I succeeded this time because I didn't put too much. Oh yeah, I guess I put too much, so decided against it and erased some part with a dry paper towel. Okay, just making some final adjustments here and also on the petals. I'm just trying to emphasize more the shape and the colors. So I think I'm quite happy with this one, and now I have dried it up and I've put some handwriting in pencil. This is not calligraphy. I'm sorry, I'm not very good with calligraphy, so this is a simple DIY Mother's Day card with some handwriting in watercolor, but I'm nevertheless going to use a script brush from silver brush from the Black Velvet series, size 4. So this is just a simple handwriting. It's not calligraphy in any way, but I kind of like it, like this my special handwriting font, because it looks really unique. So just use your regular handwriting or whatever kind of handwriting you can think of using script brush and watercolor, whatever works. This is not actually how I regularly write, but this is how I write using a script brush and watercolor. And I thought I think it's kind of charming and rustic looking, bit rough, but this is how a DIY personalized watercolor loose floral painting and handwriting should look like, and that's what makes it unique and special and personalized. Just going back again to the previous words to make it darker. I'm using the Daniel Smith's sepia color here, because I thought black is too dark contrast with the yellow of the flower, and it's nice to actually reuse a color that you have used in the flowers painting. It makes everything look more put together, like more coordinated and easier on the eyes. And it's also nice to use a limited color palette. Looks so much cleaner and nicer and effortlessly elegant, if you ask me. So here's my favorite part, removing the masking tape. Make sure to check that everything's dry before doing this, and remove it at a 45-degree angle to be careful. And here's your Mother's Day card. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment or share my video if you like. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.